Let me show you some unproblematic plants to just have some plant joy. Hello everyone, how are you doing? I filmed last week for TV and I'm feeling a little bit sick now. Normally I have headaches for about a day after, but it's been a few days and I'm starting to get snotty and my throat hurts as well. So we're making this an easy video. Sorry about that. I hope you still enjoy. I'm going to show you some plants that are problem-free right now at my house. So some, not necessarily, sorry, I have cat hairs everywhere. Not necessarily my favorite plants, but they are favorites in their own way because they're not having pests, they're not getting stuck growing, they're just looking good, being easy. Like this one. This is Vicky, my Philodendron Verrucosum, that I bought as a very, very small plant and put on a moss pole. And she has developed really nicely. This was the previous biggest leaf. And now we have this one. New leaves always look so pretty. The backs are super red. And then there is the hairy petioles as well. So, so cute. So, so easy. Just something I can look at and think, yay. It's growing. It's looking pretty. No issues. So far. Oh, I'm afraid of... I see a very, very fat mealybug on here. I was worried about this, discovering the issues as I show you the plants. But I'm going to kill the mealybug. Hopefully it's going to be good. And yes, Mickey is here with me, being very adorable. He wants some of the attention, so we're filming together. This next one is amazing. This is my mint Thai constellation, or Monstera platinum. This is, no wait, this is the latest leaf. It has 3 really nice leaves. This was my top cutting. If you don't know, I cut this plant up into 3 pieces. 1 piece fully died. 1 piece is rooting back in water because it rotted as well. I think I actually see a new growth point. Yeah, you can see it here on the mint in the water. So, and yes, there's algae in here. I try to rinse it off often, but they keep coming back. And this top cutting just rooted like there's no tomorrow. No issues. This didn't have many roots when I potted it up. It was the one I was most worried about, and now it's just the easiest one. I am planning to repot this in a bigger pot and then also give it one of the moss poles that I just got. Wait, I'll show you. Where is it? Where's my box? Here. I think my boyfriend moved it. I cannot find the box with the moss poles, but they're from Trofolia from Canada, and they're the round ones that I have ferry on as well. So I might even be able to put the cutting that I have in water on there as well. So there's 2 mint Thai constellations growing on 1 pole, which I am excited about. It's still freezing now during the night, so I'm just gonna wait maybe a few more weeks, maybe 1 more week, and then I'll show you the repotting of this. This next one might not look like a problem-free plant because we have some very crispy leaves. This one actually can go. Mickey will take care of that. And some yellow leaves at the bottom here. This one is also yellowing a lot, but the newest leaf is beautiful and unfurling with no problems. It is a Anthurium papillilaminum X crossed with Queen crystallinum. Doesn't really mean anything to me, but I love how this leaf looks. So anytime I look into my medium-sized terrarium, I love it. I just get excited. And I'm able to look around these sadder looking leaves. There are definitely some pest issues in the terrarium, but I think they're not liking this new leaf. So it's really dark, kind of red. I love it. I might show you a few more Anthurium actually. Oh, I know one upstairs that I'm definitely going to show you. But first, a Hoya. This is my Hoya gunungading that, I don't know, it just started growing very excitedly. Can you see, this is a tendril with new leaves. There's a few new leaves here, one on this side. Can you see the baby one on this side? Doesn't want to focus on it. Wait, how can I want you to see it properly. There we go. It's so cute. This one just is growing. Like there's no issues in this house with any pests. I did recently spray. Can you see the new growth point here? I sprayed down most of my plants with a really hard, the sun is coming back out, just the light. Yeah, I learned from someone, from Jamie in the US, that even with using good bugs, it's really important and good to spray down your plants with like a strong water beam, just water, but like hose them down to remove any of the pests. like a few of these mealybugs I'll squish with my hand. I think that really helped the spraying down, because I'm finally seeing some growth again on some of my Hoya that I've had cuttings off for almost a year maybe that have never grown. So if you don't do this yet, regularly, I don't know, I don't want to do regularly because I have 300 plants, but if you have time, spray down all your plants with a strong water beam. I don't know words today, my brain is snotty, so sorry about that. But Hoya Gunningading is definitely easy, beautiful, easy breezy, beautiful. Ooh, cover girl. This is my Philodendron Jose Buono that I got again as a very small plant, and it just grows really quickly. I had to repot because it was super root bound. Whoops. And I think I might have to start giving it a pole as well. The rainbow on the leaf, so pretty. This is the latest leaf. And what I love about this, I love the variegation of it, but the previous one I had of this was the Paraiso Verde, and probably lots of you know already, but that only keeps the variegation when it is warm. And in my country, and in my house especially, it's never warm enough, so it just turned green. And the Jose Bono keeps the variegation even in winter, even when it's cold. And this is just really cool to me. There are some thrips on this, I think. Oh, and a little aphid. But I'm not so fazed about those anymore because I think pests are part of having plants, unfortunately. So I think we're going to put this on a poll in a future chores video or plant care video, which I'm excited about. I have a lot of plant care to do, so expect some long plant care videos. One plant that I feel like not many people are talking about is Alocasia zebrina. This guy is so easy. Look at this variegated leaf. Mine is yellow variegated, but all of them are cool. The leaves are huge. It's just growing. This is a new leaf right here. Look at it next to me. This size is crazy, right? It's so big. Also, I'm wearing my sick clothes. My oldest, most comfiest clothes. But Alocasia zebrina, highly recommend. Here we have my other baby, Maggie. She's so cute. But she's a little bit more shy, so anytime I bring a camera around or I try to film her on my phone, she runs away. And also I'm going to climb up there to show you that plant. She's probably going to be scared and run away. Actually, I can show you this one first. Because this is Thais, my Thai constellation. That is so problem-free. He is incredible. Look at the size of the leaves. This is the latest one. Beautiful, with big sectoral variegation. And he's just so easy. He lives upstairs now to get a little bit better light, but I love him. Super easy, super big. I love the sectoral patches, even though they turn brown. Oh, my water cleaning system is on. I don't know if you can hear that, but sorry about the noise. Maggie doesn't like the noise either. Okay, let's climb up on the bed. It's actually really warm here. Since our new dormer window, the upstairs warms up very quickly because of the big window, which is nice in winter. For summer, we'll have to see, maybe put some curtains or something because it's gonna be really hot, I'm afraid. It's already hot now, and it's freezing outside in the night. But, wait, which one am I gonna show you? I guess just this one, because quite a few of the plants here have some issues, but this is not one of them. Yeah, this is the last one I'm going to show you today because I feel my body needs a nap again. It's so fun. Wow, look at how dark this is. I've showed you this many times before. This is my Anthurium Blackjack, which is a hybrid. It made seeds for me recently. They did not survive. This is really nice leaf as well. I love the, I don't know what you call it, like the spider veins. And it's growing a new leaf. The color almost doesn't come across. Maybe I can make it a little bit lighter so that you can see how chocolatey it is. Wow. It's so cool. It's gonna get a little bit bigger, I think. And it has a new flower, inflorescence, but I'm thinking of cutting that off because I want more leaves on this plant. I love the leaves. I want more. I don't want to set it back again by making seeds, although maybe that's just in my brain that the plant can't handle it. This also needs some care. Can you see how long the stem is back there? I want to check the roots. There's actually some stuff on here that could be, I don't know, spider mites? No. Is it a side shoot? Or is these roots? I think these are roots. Yeah. It's growing a lot of side roots, but they're not in moss, so that they don't continue. Which is why it's often good for Anthurium to put some moss around the base of the stem to help the new roots to develop. But look at this. Isn't that amazing? This plant is just so carefree for me, so easy. Okay, I think that's it. I'm out of breath. I'm gonna go on the sofa and take a nap before I put this video together for you. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe below if you haven't already. You can click the bell to get notified when I post a new video. And let me know what other videos you want to see, because I will be going to more plant shops, but also it's getting warmer here. I'm gonna do more garden stuff and greenhouse repots. I try to wait with all my big repot projects so that I can do them outside when it's warm enough, like above 15 degrees Celsius, so that the plants don't get too much of a shock. I think it's gonna be a few more weeks before we have that, but okay. Thank you so much for being here, friends. I really enjoy our hanging out together and reading all your comments. I have not been able to respond as much as I normally would because of my health situation and the filming for the yoga TV program, and also my dad, of course. But I am reading all of them and hearting them and trying to respond to everyone. Thank you so much for being here. And we will see you in the... Oh, Mickey's coming to say goodbye. Okay, Mickey. Thank you so much for hanging out with us. He's so handsome. And we will see you in the next video. Look at him hanging out. Thank you. Bye.